Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering NECO 2018 Chemistry Objective Part Question 39. The type of iron that is best suited for welding, making nails, chains and iron rods is A. Cast iron, B. Iron pyrite, C. Pig iron, D. Spatic iron, E. Wrought iron. So we're asked for the type of iron that is best suited for some specific purposes here, such as welding, making of nails, chains and iron rods. Now let's look at each of the options and what they are used for, and then see which one best suits the description given to us in the question. Now option A, which is cast iron. Now cast iron is majorly used in the production of stoves, tops of stoves, cookers, radiators, lamp posts, etc. Now cast iron is used in the production of materials that do not require great tensile stress. So that's what cast iron is used for. Now iron pyrite is an ore of iron. An ore of iron. Okay, so you can't specifically say it is a type of iron, rather it is an ore of iron, a raw material in production of types of iron. Now option C says pig iron. Now pig iron has limited industrial use. Now this is because it contains high amounts of impurities, so it is very brittle and unsuitable for carrying out industrial work. Now option D says spatic iron. Now spatic iron is also referred to sometimes as siderite, which is also an ore of iron. So similar to iron pyrite, spatic iron or siderite is an ore used in the production of various types of iron, not a type of iron. Now option E says wrought iron. Wrought iron is used in the production of nails, chains, iron rods, sheets, etc. So as you can see, it is used for the production of various materials that can be used industrially. Now, it is used in making nails, chains and iron rods, is what the question gives to us. And as we established here, it's wrought iron which is used in the production of those materials. So option E, wrought iron, is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.